in to this face. Don't give a fuck who wins in this game.
For my happiness, you don't give a fuck?
Kai Havertz, shit player.
Yes! Yes! Gabriel with another important goal. This is just garbage. No Rodri, and this is what happens to a team.
Anyone who supports Manchester City, go home, look in the mirror, think about it, and then just reevaluate your life.
Rohit Sharma is the worst Mumbai Indians player.
I will play you in any month you want, any day you want, and I will whoop your bro. Like,
I've begged for this all my life as an Arsenal fan. A strong defense. United fans are celebrating City goal.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Casuals. Today, finally, the day has arrived where we're hosting our own watch party. Two best teams in the Premier League, Arsenal versus City. We have a lot of people coming to hammer and song. I can't wait. We're going to have such a good time. We have a bunch of questions prepared. We have a bunch of stalls. You can play a mini game, confession booth, you name it. Sammy, what do we got?
Super excited. Hopefully enough people show up. But I have a very exciting kind of challenge for us. We are hosting our first ever live event, like I said. The goal for us is to make 15,000 in profit.
Yes.
We have a deal struck up with these people who are letting us do this amazing event. Stay tuned to find out if we hit that goal or not. See you guys inside.
We can't wait. Let's go.
Okay, what's the time? It is 8:20.
8:25.
8:25.
Exactly.
We said come 8:30 p.m. onwards.
And we have a total of 0 people here.
Two people who we don't know.
People, yeah. So shout out you guys. You guys seem like ultras. Some casual ultras.
Some casual ultras.
We have this sub soccer set up. We're gonna set up a tournament, and whoever wins gets a free shirt. It looks really fun. We'll put a video of that in the main video as well. Right here is the confession booth where ZS is gonna ask you your hottest sports take. So do indulge, and we'll get some crazy opinions. Last time I gave an opinion, I got destroyed on the internet. So check it out. How do you feel about the casuals?
Bro, I have known you since you were this tall, and you all have done an absolutely fantastic job with the show.
Still this tall.
No, but bro, you all have, seriously, you, Sammy, ZS, all of you have done a fucking fantastic job with the show. Really, really, really good job.
Bro, I love the casuals. I love all the sports you'll talk about. Even if I don't love the sports, I end up falling in love with those sports.
I love the casuals, bro, because they've organized a great fucking viewing for football, which I love doing. I like watching football with people who want to watch football. I like the pop culture. Bring it to India. Let's go.
Ankush is one of the best FIFA players in the fucking country. Super entertaining to watch him play as well.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Fucking top turnout, guys. Congrats to Sammy, Tana, everyone. Fucking casuals killing it. And yeah, dude, all love to everyone.
Alright, now tell me why do you like the casual?
I never said I did.
Zoom in to this face. Let's do an update. Let's do the update.
Let's do an update.
8 minutes in. What happened? What's happened? What's happened? What's happened? What's happened?
Offside, offside.
What's happened?
Offside!
What's happened? Haaland just scored, by the way. Zoom into those faces. Zoom into those faces. Who is the highest goal scorer on the fixture? Arsenal versus City.
Aguero. Probably Aguero.
Righty.
KDB.
I would say Aguero.
And I think Lamine Yamal will win the Ballon d'Or before Kylian Mbappe.
In all competitions, who has more wins in this fixture?
I think Man City.
Arsenal.
Arsenal. Arsenal, I would say, has more wins.
Arsenal.
City. No,
Arsenal, fuck you. Yeah, Arsenal are one.
Arsenal, obviously.
Let's fucking go! What are you saying?
City. Get him.
What a goal. I hope it's a goal and not a foul. What the fuck was that?
My hot take is that men only play all these sports like football and all to basically hang out with each other and touch each other and get close to their friends and cuddle and all of that. And that's why I think the casuals love it so much.
How's that goal? Walk me through that goal. Walk me through that goal.
That is how you arrive. That's how you arrive, Calafiore!
Boy, 60 million!
Come on, you gunners!
want a rendition of North London from Forever from you by the end of the night. Your version.
No.
I'm singing it with you right now if you want to.
We're gonna do it when we win it.
Okay, when we win it. Let's not pop the champagne before the victory. What a fucking goal. Let's fucking go. Majji, instant reactions. How good was that goal?
Bro, fucking beautiful. Fucking sick. We got this game.
We got this game. Enough said. As a 42nd minute, it's 1-1. Calafiori with a banger. But comments on the event, Tanay.
Great turnout. Love you guys for coming. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Couple of legends in the house as well. No need to name them yet.
No, you don't want to name them yet? Okay, fine. We don't give other people.
The only thing I was hoping for, because I don't give a fuck who wins in this game.
Fuck you, bro.
Was
for my happiness you don't give a fuck?
No.
That's so rude.
Content is better if you would have lost. So.
Oh, we are on the attack. Let's fucking go, baby.
Nah. I think that's Havertz who fucked up, obviously. I'm going to double down on my hot take. Kai Havertz, shit player. Zero impact. He got that lucky ass fucking goal in the Champions League final. Nothing from him all season, last season, 2 seasons ago. Let's go.
I wasn't fuck up.
I know.
Someone else. Yeah.
But either way, only thing I was hoping for was a good turnout and a good game. 1-1 in the first half. Couldn't ask anything more out of that. Yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone, for showing up. Vibes are electric. I hope you're doing a good job communicating this through the camera. You want to just pan and show all the people.
Look at that. All the boys. Some girls as well, huh? By the way.
Yes. We had RSG on and she said, we are a very welcoming group of boys.
Yes, well behaved.
Very well behaved. So
it's a super warm and welcoming space. You know, they as a woman, as the only woman on the team, they really let me do my thing.
Yes! Gabriel with another important goal. Fuck you, dude. What is City fan? Cannot abuse him. He's under 15. But fucking shit! What a fucking goal! Let's go! Mix.
This is just garbage. No Rodri, and this is what happens to the team. Come on, guys. He's getting him.
What is Walker doing? He left him to run free, yaar.
I still think Kyle Walker is the best right back in the league, if not the world. That's for sure.
Abey, fuck that Gabriel, bro. How the fuck is Walker marking fucking Gabriel, bro? He's 9 foot tall, man.
Where is that? Things are heating up, baby.
Bro, the keeper went to sleep. Wake up.
How's it going, boys? Second goal. We're back. Zal and thoughts. Gabriel are defenders. We don't need strikers at this point, right? They're memeing us.
Coach has done a brilliant job, man.
A corner is a penalty.
And exactly. A penalty corner, this should basically be hockey. but what do you want to tell all the haters, all those haters online that are saying Arsenal are signing too many defenders, we don't have strikers? What are they going to say now?
It's okay. Let them talk. We are going for the title.
Haters gonna hate, man. Haters gonna hate.
Amazing. Arsenal up 2-1. Let's fucking go. We have Zal over here, an ultra fan of the Casuals. Fan of the Casuals. And an Arsenal fan, right? Yeah, that's what I was hoping. 2-1 thoughts. Tell me what's
I
happening.
had predicted 2-1 at the start of the game, 2 Arsenal. See, I don't want to put my balls on the line like this, but 2-1 Arsenal. But I think there might be more goals in this game, the way it's going. City started really well with that Savinho cutting, which was really fucking sick.
Mahrez regen.
Definitely, wears the same number also. But we have Bukayo Saka. So
No doubt, bro. No question.
I took out Haaland from my FPL team and made Saka captain today.
Let's fucking go.
In hindsight, I don't know if it was correct, but let's see.
Vibes over anything, bro.
100%.
And energy over anything.
100%.
And he put the right energy into the universe.
Let's see how this fucking game goes. Alright, let's go.
Tell me what's happening, bro. You made some amazing comparisons with Calafiori and a Bollywood actor. You just want to run me through what's happened in the first half?
I've said that John Abraham has scored for Arsenal. That's beautiful. The mother and father of Manchester City are off. De Bruyne is watching from the stands and Rodri has been sent to the stands. I think they're going to win the game. I'm absolutely ecstatic. And once again, to reiterate, I hate Manchester City with a passion. I've never hated a club this much in my life, bro. So I'm a generational hate watcher. I hate more supporting Arsenal today. I'm hate supporting Manchester City.
Okay.
Anyone who supports Manchester City, go home, look in the mirror, think about it, and then just reevaluate your life. That is a request, a humble, sincere request that I have. We should support a football club based on a stupid ass reason. I started supporting Arsenal because they were the best team on the Game Boy.
And so did I. And that's such a legit reason.
That's a legit reason, bro. Then they come and tell me that the football was beautiful. Shoot, they need a slap. Stuff doesn't work in the real world.
You have to grind out results.
Exactly.
And Arteta has finally brought that back. We've grown up in the Wenger ball era, which was good to watch, but we would get fucked in the end.
Brother, I have seen Sharma play. I cannot be happy at this time.
Cannot ask for anything more. Humble, sincere request from Sulaiman Makhija.
Sebastian Squalici.
Enough said. Enough said.
Who's off? Make.
Red card, Rossard off, bro. Thank fucking God. Rossard.
Thank you.
And man, what do you think now? Come back in the second half.
It's probably gonna happen, bro. Us versus 10 men, we're gonna win that fucking game.
Let's go. The game's heating up, baby.
That ain't no red card, boys. That ain't no fucking red card. That's a yellow max to max. Max to max.
Was it a second yellow straight red?
I don't know. I'm not quite sure.
Now he's acting busy right now, saying hi to people. He's just pissed that they got a red card.
Okay, guys, this might be one of the most controversial UFC opinions of all time. I think that Jon Jones is pound for pound the greatest fighter of all time. And if you disagree with me, take it up with Dana White, UFC CEO, take it up with Sammy, Tanya, all the boys of the Casuals podcast. See you guys next time.
Yo, what's up, guys? I just want to make a few quick announcements. First up, I just want to say thank you so much for coming. Really appreciate it. Turned out in numbers. Shout out to all the Parsis. I didn't know ZPL would pay off 5 months later. And I didn't know there were so many of y'all anyway. Last thing, please stand for our anthem. And join along if you know the words. हम क्या है दुनिया को के पाएंगे रोके जो पर्वत भी हमें हम रोक पाएंगे करेंगे go.
Look at this crowd.
Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. Let's go.
Let's fucking go.
On goal!
Speak your heart out. Halftime update. Zal Choksi.
Add one charge to the fucking ref for this fucking game. That wasn't a second yellow.
Not at all.
We saw Doku kick the ball away just 10 minutes ago. Before that, nothing was given.
And what happened to Rice? I
honestly didn't see it.
No, in that game when he kicked the ball.
What? Bro, we know how it is with the Prem refs. We know what Arsene Wenger said about the Prem refs too, bro.
What did he say?
When I die, make sure it's not where the referees are kept, whether it's heaven or hell.
Well said.
Yeah? We can still do it.
Are you going to hold on?
We have to 10 men behind the ball, bro. Haram ball. Now it is what it is, bro.
God bless.
10 men behind.
Let up in Laden. Let's go.
And one more set piece. One more.
I've been waiting for a platform to say this. Rohit Sharma is the worst Mumbai Indians player in the last 4 years. He should have been dropped, not just as captain, from the team in 2020. Only for the Mumbai Indians, yes. We are suffering because of him. And I really can't wait to see us play without him this year.
How many subscribers the Casuals have on YouTube exactly? You'll get a shot.
800.
1,000. 330.
223.
495.
I think it's 382.
What the fuck? Say that again.
382.
Oh my god, he got it correct. He knew the exact number of subscribers that the Casuals had on YouTube. 382. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go like and subscribe.
Fucking subscribe, motherfucker.
And he wins a t-shirt, a free t-shirt. Just won this.
Yeah, baby.
Just won this. Can you hold it from one side? Congratulations on the victory. You got the exact number of YouTube.
Okay, so just some context, guys. We have two of the best FIFA players I know here. So Ankush and Zeus. Zeus insists he'll beat Ankush, and Ankush in his own words said he will.
I will slap Zeus up at FIFA, and I made him a challenge that if I beat him, I will replace him on the podcast. Firstly, no one replaces me. I am irreplaceable. Secondly, Tanay explained it to me like he's one of his good friends. Now this guy's coming out to be saying one of the best players in India. So I'm happy to slap one of the best players in India. There's no problem. We can do some bet. I don't bet money. We can figure out something in the middle though. Maybe some sort of. We'll come to an agreement. But we'll do it for sure. We'll record it. We'll put it out for everyone. One of the best players in India, guys. So I'm once again putting shit on the line for y'all. But no problem. We'll take him.
Yeah, we gotta shake on that. Shake on that. Come on.
Done.
Let's go.
Have that on
Let's
camera.
go. Yeah, come on.
Let's go. What are we playing, bud?
We're playing. Which
Not
mode
so, I don't want kickoff and all, bro.
No, Ultimate Team.
Done.
Ultimate
But
Team.
then let's play in like August or September.
Bro,
Then everyone's team is stacked.
No,
Okay,
okay.
let's say FIFA 24.
I will play you in any month you want, any day you want, and I will whoop your ass, bro. Like there's no. My confidence is at 200. Like
You know those
don't
bad
understand.
karma moments, compilations. You're gonna see this.
So my controversial or hot take is that I think the casual hosts need to up their fashion game. The only thing, there's one episode that I think Sammy was dressed really well, and I don't know if you watched the episode, but it was styled by the Sasa Closet. He was wearing a bodysuit and a robe. If you haven't, go check it out and follow the Sasa Closet.
Who had more players in the England squad in the Euros 2024? Arsenal or City?
City.
Arsenal. City.
Arsenal. Haaland didn't
In
go.
the England squad.
Bro, I thought it was the whole Euros. I was going through my entire. I was going through everything. Wait.
Arsenal again.
It's a tie, sorry. Trick question. 60th minute update from Magic Mix. What do we think?
This is absolutely pathetic play. Haaland has had 2 header chances, but they've just been weak. Without the midfield, this team is unable to just work. And the corner defending has been atrocious from us. That corner goal we let in was disastrous. It was a good end to the first half when Trossard got red carded. So let's see if we can make, we can equalize without their one man down. And Arsenal are absolute cowards. They play a 5 at the back, so defensive and such assholes.
Magic Mix, it's past your bedtime. I think your mommy and daddy are calling you home now, okay? Go to bed. It's a little too late.
What time is it? 10:53.
It's a Sunday, yes. It's a school night, brother.
I think my hot take is that Verstappen shouldn't have won the 2021 F1 championship. It was definitely Lewis's, and I thought the way they changed the rules in the end was absurd.
My hot take about the casual show is that, Sammy, bro, this guy on the show, he's mad, bro. He's bullying everyone, whoever comes on the show, bro. My friend Tanay, bro, he's so mean to him, bro. Always bringing out some personal information or some bullshit or the other, bro. He's mad. And other than that, he's actually also my favorite character on the show. Because the dude's a character, bro. He talks bullshit half the time, and he says it in a serious way. So it's brilliant, bro. Love it, love it.
92nd minute, 93rd minute, 4 more minutes to go.
10 men are holding on with dear life, but they're doing a good job.
And how are they holding on, bro? I've begged for this all my life as an Arsenal fan. A strong defense. We're solid at the back. That's all I've asked for, and finally, it's happening. Thank you for the beer. 2-1, 1 man down. Leandro Trossard with the red card. I couldn't have asked for anything more. We're playing like Jose Mourinho's Chelsea. It's sad that I'm saying that, but this is what I've asked for the longest time.
Fat Fox is shut.
All those guys were talking about that champagne football under Wenger era. Yeah, I like that. You know what I like more than that? Winning. I like winning. And right now, we're winning. So fuck you to all the haters and all the people. Okay, I'm not going to talk anymore. That's 2-1. I'm not going to talk anymore. That's it. Over and out. Let's hope we win. Most competitive people in Dadar, the most competitive Parsis alive. Yeah, you can't cross the half line, don't cheat!
Unpenetrable defense from Chehan here.
Juke!
Clean sweep.
Stay away. Please stay away, bro. Please, stay away, bro. Don't fuck the juju. Tanay, please, no, please.
Dal, I love you.
3 minutes.
Please, Tanay, please. Clear it. Fucking ball, Miles. Bang,
Zoom in of Krisha. Krisha, what are you doing?
She's having so much fun. Any thoughts?
So much fun. I'm just being a sport by being here. So that's the best part of me.
That's all we can ask for. We want women to get involved in sports, but look at what women are doing.
Better defending than scoring.
Who cares, bro? 2-1 is 2-1, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. Ref!
Referee! Anything.
Who's got a yellow for that?
Hey, shut it down!
Shoot! Goal! Zoom in on Sammy!
We're gonna do it when we win it. Okay, when we win it. Let's not pop the champagne before. Yeah, we got this game.
Boys, 14 Rostam.
Interview the United fans celebrating a fucking city.
But he's 14,
what the fuck is going on?
This is coming from a United.
I know.
United fans are celebrating City goal.
That is fucked. I can't believe my eyes. Fucking United kid also.
Honestly, if you ask me before the game, I'd take a 2-2 NGL.
I'm getting very irritated at Sattu. He did a draw before in the game week, and now he drew, and like he has his own personal agenda into it, which I'm getting very annoyed with. We are losing this game. He's like, I'm very happy with the 2-2.
We're gonna get another red card, by the way, by the time we finish this argument.
Let's go! Last minute, last attack, and Arsenal can go to hell. Let's go!
We are checking in with Sumer Makhija again. Sumer, thoughts? Disappointing 2-2.
I'm very angry.
And
if I saw a City fan, I'd spit on their face.
Let's not do that. Let's try to keep it.
But the media is going to tell you that we bottled the game with 10 men and a red card at the Etihad, bro. If we were anywhere else, they would have commended us for this performance. Okay? So, I'll tell you one thing. To the naysayers, to the media, to the fucking, what is it called, bro? The word for the fucking, to the
establishment.
To the establishment. Fuck the establishment. It was a great game. We had Lewis Miles Kelly on. Do you even know who he is?
I just want to say, casuals, Chelsea, United, Arsenal. Who's on top? Who's on top? Who's on top?
Chelsea at the bottom. That's a fucking guarantee.
He doesn't want to be interviewed.
Not now, not now.
I understand his pain, so I'm going to let him go.
Such a sad fucking ending to this game. Sorry for the bad words, but...
No, we abuse fuck shit, benchod, mother shit, say whatever you want.
Fuck this shit, benchod. But yeah, I really expected to win towards the end, but... Fucking unfortunate. But I'm really proud of the team.
Same. But I feel like that's loser talk. Like, we had it. I know it was unlucky.
This year I can say Rodri was playing for the draw. Like how he said for us the last season. This time they were playing for the draw.
Thanks for coming. Thank you so much for coming. Thanks so much. Everyone, thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming.
I just want to say Sammy looks so fucking hot in the suit, bro. Come on.
Yeah, thank you.
Big him up. Likes for that.
The event has ended finally.
Great turnout. Thank you for whoever showed up. Bought shirts, had drinks, you name it. Sammy, thoughts on the game?
Thoughts on the game? Frustrating. I told this Arsenal fan, do not jinx it. He's like, no, we won. And in the end...
Name him now.
I don't remember his name. He's Ankrish's brother-in-law.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, I don't really remember his name. That just shows you the impact we're having. We're attracting strangers beyond our friends.
Only one of our teams got 3 points this weekend, no?
Take the mic away from him.
Either way, from a neutral's perspective, it was a great fucking game. 2-all, last minute goal, can't ask for more. Majji's pissed out there, just pan to him.
They can't be hurt. Yeah, they can't be hurt.
They can't be hurt, they're just yelling.
But the Arsenal fans...
Come, Neil.
The Arsenal fans are very angry.
They're shook, they're in the mud.
Yes. But finally, thank you to everyone sitting on this table. Thank you, Zeus, manning the Hot Confessions Hot Take booth. Thank you, Sattu, for Vibes Guy, I guess.
Vibes Guy.
No doubt.
Fat Vibes Guy.
Vibes Guy. Also, just quickly, Sammy ordered all these tissues to wipe his tears. He's not told anyone.
Aren't you an Arsenal fan?
He's an Arsenal fan and he was happy with the 2-2 draw because in Premier Picks, which is a segment on our show, he predicted Arsenal to draw. What a fucking
That's
shoot,
dirty,
Marika.
Dirty.
Yeah. Selfish. Thank you, Nandi. And then forget the last guy. No, forget the last guy. Yeah, no, we don't really care about the last guy on the table. Not a bus, not a bus.
Meg, bro.
Meg. Hey, Meg. Give him the mic.
Meg, thoughts?
Take it away.
Yeah, bro. Chill event. We did our shit. I want to go home and sleep because my legs are fucking aching.
Thank you so much. Like, subscribe and share. Shout out Hammer and Song for hosting us.
And then unsubscribe.
Subscribe again, unsubscribe, subscribe again.
Alright.